Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I'll show you how to log in to your standard Subaccount. Be sure to watch to the end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open your ByBit app. Log in your account. In the home page, tap your account picture in the top left corner. Then in the top right corner, tap gear icon. Scroll down and tap Logout. Confirm. Tap Login now and tap on Login in with Subaccount at the bottom. Enter your Subaccount username and password. Please note that if you initially create a standard Subaccount without any password settings, you cannot log in via this page. You can only log in via account switch from your main account. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.